Good afternoon. It's Marcus from Remax. We are talking about the real estate market update for April 2022. As most of you have probably heard, the real estate market is softening due to higher interest rates that everybody's expecting. In fact, the Bank of Canada has raised interest rates numerous times this year already, and is going to continue to do so in order to combat inflation, which is at the highest it's ever been in almost 30 or 40 years. Real estate values tend to rise when interest rates are low because the cost of borrowing is lower. Hence, people tend to borrow more and are able to take on larger mortgages. However, the opposite is true when rates start to rise. Real estate values tend to start coming down. Again, nobody knows the true impact of these higher interest rates, and further interest rate hikes because of combating inflation may not be as simple as raising rates once, twice, or three times. It may require substantial increases to bring it down in line with what the expectation is. Having said that, the real estate market is sort of softening, but it's still a great opportunity for buyers and sellers. A true goal of the market is to be a balanced market. Over the last 2 years, we've seen a very much a seller's market. So it's nice to see that some of that power or that drive has been taken away from the sellers, and now the buyers are slightly getting into the driver's seat here. And again, I'm all for a balanced market. It doesn't help anybody when the market's lopsided towards any one party. And so obviously buyers are now able to get homes for a bit less than what they would have paid a couple of months back, even earlier this year. And more importantly, they're not having to compete with as many offers, or in fact, any offers for that matter, on many properties. Because there is a lot more inventory on the market now. And again, that makes sense because a lot of folks who had thought about putting their homes on the market in the spring, during the pandemic, decided not to due to health and safety risks to their family. And so now are doing so because they feel confident and safe, but also as they foresee interest rates rising and values being impacted, these sellers are also putting their home on the market as well to get a better price than they would maybe in a few months from now. And so that's driving supply up, and demand also has shrunk ever so slightly due to the higher interest rates. However, that is an opportunity for buyers to be able to get a better price for the home that they purchase. So again, all in all, it's a balanced market for everyone. So just to give you a quick rundown, in March of 2022, the average sale price was $1,350,000. We're now seeing it at $1,250,000. $1,300,000 to $1,250,000. So we're down about $50,000, which is not a significant difference, but again, every little bit helps because values have gone so significantly higher than previously that it's hard for buyers to justify the extra mortgage payments or extra costs. So again, it's certainly helpful. So we are still in the seller's market. However, we are still at a historically low inventory levels for real estate, but that is going to change over the next few months, and hopefully not too significantly, but again, hopefully more towards a balanced, favored market. We are still standing at about a month and a half worth of inventory, which is still very low. On average, we want to be at least 2 to 3 months of inventory to be a bit more favorable to buyers as well. And we are seeing prices from last year to this year still be up, but prices from last month to this month have come down. So again, there are obviously a lot of factors that are in play, but interest rates being the primary reason. And this is all explained in my monthly market update. If you are looking to subscribe or have any questions about the report, if you did receive it, please feel free to reach out. And you're more than welcome to send me an email or shoot me a text message at 647-895-9191, and I'd be happy to subscribe you. Or if you would want to shoot me an email at mchevli@gmail.com. That's mchevli@gmail.com. I can certainly shoot you an email as well. Or you're more welcome to go to my website as well and sign up there. If you do have any questions, by all means, feel free to reach out, and we'll love to connect with you and tell you more and send you that market update. Again, it's Marcus from Remax, and I look forward to connecting with you all next month. Take care.